All right, guys, we are back here at Texas Motorplex in Ennis at a T&E Promotions private track rental. So we're gonna go ahead and try to redeem ourselves from Texas2K. I'm gonna try to not put it in the wall this time, but we're gonna test this car, making sure everything works fine. We put an AccuSump system on there so that way we wouldn't lose oil pressure like we did last time. That's pretty much what happened in the last eliminations of Texas2K. Is we just lost a little bit of oil pressure. Nothing significant, it wouldn't have hurt the motor, but with the Motec system in here, it will, with the safeties we have on here, it shut down the motor, so that way it doesn't hurt anything else. So luckily nothing happened and we're able to test again. So we're going to be testing here at the track. We're shooting for some 7s, so hopefully we can hit our goal. So yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing today. And stay tuned. We'll be getting to racing soon. I think they're prepping the track right now. It's a little overcast right now. Not what we were expecting. I thought it was going to be a sunny day, but as you can see, it's a little overcast. So hopefully the DA isn't too bad. So yeah, we'll get to it here in just a second, as soon as the track prep gets done and they open up and call for runs. So let's get to it. Well, we actually made a full hit, went A to B without any hiccups, it looks like. So we'll see what the time slip says, but first pass of the day, been here for a while. Finally made it down the track, A to B. Yeah, so I would say this is a win for today because things were not going my way. So that is the last pass that we're gonna make here at the track tonight.
It's gonna be like 8:30. No shit!
Motherfucker. Let me see, come on.
Oh fuck!
Yeah!
Soggy as fuck.
Holy shit, lady. Holy. Holy shit!
Yeah, there you go.
Finally! Ah, damn!
I was like, don't lift.
Like, how the fuck was it an 8.9?
It looked so fucking slow. It was like
It felt slow. The only thing that I think. All right, guys, as you can see, I'm doing the ending of this video, not at the track. I'm at the house now. It is 2 days later after this video, I recorded the video at the track for the ZL1. So obviously, I showed all the video before the ending, so you all know what happened. So I didn't do a lot of recording. I'm trying to get a lot of the racing and data out of the way. Obviously, I've got in-camera and GoPro 360 videos of the runs. And as you can see, pretty much I just kept knocking the tires off pretty much at the 60-foot mark the entire day until that last run. So that last run, we put our last bag of ice in it, went to go run just to see if we could get it to go down from A to B. I know Brandon wanted a 7. I just wanted to go to A to B because I just was getting a little irritated as I kept knocking the tires off. Wasn't Brandon's fault or wasn't anyone's fault. I was driving the car. I think track prep and the temperatures were creating havoc with everyone there. Everyone before me was blowing the tires off. And then the last hit, we finally were able to make a full run. Right before I ran, I think there was 4 pro mods that ran down, and they all went down straight. So I pretty much knew at that point I could probably get this thing to finally hook and go A to B. But I ran after Brandon did some tuning updates for the car. I think he pulled out some timing and maybe some boost off the hit. But it ran, I think it maxed out at 27 pounds. At max, I think was for like a second or two. But basically it was 25 PSI. So as you can see, we ran a 7.95 at 176 miles per hour. So fastest I've ever been, mile per hour, and fastest I've ever been ET in a quarter mile. So those are both personal bests for me, and I was ecstatic. If I can find the video, hopefully I find the videos and get all this stuff put together. I'm gonna have to get a mash of different videos from different people, since I didn't do a lot of exterior recording of everything that was going on. But that last hit, I went down the track. It felt lazy off the hit, honestly. But that was just because Brandon pulled some timing out of it. So again, it wouldn't knock the tires off. And it went down the track. I had to steer it a little bit at the end of the track, but other than that, it honestly felt like an 8-second, like an 8.5, 8.6. It didn't feel fast. So when I got back to the pits, I was honestly expecting at 8.5, 8.6, 8.7. Honestly, that's what it felt like to me. And I get back, and Brandon comes over, and they all pull up. My wife, Brandon and Tiana. Brandon comes over and lets me know that I was trying at 8.9, and I was like, it felt like an 8.9, so I'm not surprised. And then he gave me the slip, and to my surprise, it was a 7.9, not an 8.9. So I'll probably try to get some pictures in this thing as well. But as you can tell, I was freaking ecstatic. So we finally got a redemption pass in from Texas 2K. So we know the car will do 7s. It's gone 7s now, so now we're gonna work on it a little bit more. So we're sitting currently the 5th fastest 6th-gen Camaro in the world right now. So we are gonna be shooting for that #1 spot, so hopefully we can get it, although that's a 7.2, so that's gonna be a little bit more work involved to try to do that. But we're gonna keep chipping away at this and keep working on it. And try to get this thing a little bit faster than what it is. So again, so that was pretty much going to be the video for this week, just because, as you can see, the F-150 is still sitting on the lift right now, waiting for the wheels to get actually the center sections Bogart is re-milling for me. So we just got to send those back. He's going to reuse the hoops. He's going to put new centers into it, and then we can get it back, or get the tires mounted back on it. We can get it back on the truck. So hopefully it will get done here soon. If not, I think I have a plan to try to get this thing rolled off the lift if it comes to that, and we'll start doing interior stuff on it for the next couple of videos. Just depends on how all that stuff kind of works out. And also, you probably noticed we did do a YouTube name change, an Instagram name change, and also we are now on Rumble, Texas 93 Racing. so you can catch some of these videos on there. So I'll be posting on Rumble and YouTube and Instagram. So all those things will be up hopefully the same day. So I'm trying to get all this stuff out as fast as I possibly can. It is a little bit difficult just doing this on your own. So doing editing, recording, and trying to build everything yourself it takes a toll sometimes, but it's fun. I like doing it, like helping everyone out and commenting and doing all that kind of stuff. So I love cars. So that will wrap up this video for this week. If you would, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the like button and notification bell, and then share this out to all your friends, and we will check you on the next one.